the World Heavyweight Championship here tonight.
This is the main event of the night, and here comes the ruler of WWE, Oba Femi. Oba Femi is ready to fight the tribal chief head of the table, Roman Reigns. He won King of the Ring Tournament 2026 and chose Brock Lesnar as his SummerSlam opponent. But before that, he will destroy Roman Reigns and will take that World Heavyweight Championship and make his SummerSlam match even more bigger. Look at the size of this Nigerian giant, and he is ready to tear apart Roman Reigns with his whole OG bloodline. And he will make sure that he will win that World Heavyweight Championship and that title in his SummerSlam match, which is a Hell in a Cell match against the Beast Incarnate, Brock Lesnar. And now it's time for the tribal chief of WWE, head of the table, World Heavyweight Champion, and former Universal Champion, Roman Reigns, walking to the ring alone without his bloodline. And he will make sure that he, on his own, will defeat Oba Femi and retain his World Heavyweight Championship. Roman Reigns' is longest Universal Championship with several days title reign. And now he is making that World Heavyweight Championship relevant. Roman Reigns defeated Jacob Fatu at Backlash as well as Clash Unity, and now he finally acknowledged our tribal chief as his tribal chief. Roman Reigns also defeated so many big superstars like John Cena, Brock Lesnar, Edge, and soon he will face the visionary, the revolutionary Seth Rollins at SummerSlam. Roman Reigns walking alone because everyone has turned on him, and now he has his own bloodline, but he is thinking that he will take Oba Femi on his own. This night, this match will decide who is the ruler of WWE. Is he Oba Femi or the tribal chief Roman Reigns? And Roman Reigns has everything to lose in this match. Beast Incarnate Brock Lesnar, who just attacked Oba Femi, and very angry Brock Lesnar is now taking Oba Femi for a F5. And a brutal F5 by the Beast Brock Lesnar and laughing on Oba Femi. And now Oba Femi is ready to take his revenge from Brock Lesnar and a close line to Brock, and going to the Brock again and another close line to Brock Lesnar. And now he is destroying Brock Lesnar to the corner. And I think it's time for Oba Femi to take his revenge. But Brock Lesnar just entered with an F5 and an F5 to Oba Femi. And I think Brock Lesnar won this match. Now Roman Reigns is taking steel step, attacking Jacob Fatu and going through the ring. And here comes Roman Reigns with a spear to Jacob Fatu. And look at these two monsters. These are ready to destroy each other. And Brock Lesnar with a brutal F5 to Oba Femi. Oba Femi again standing in his own. But look at this destruction of Oba Femi. Just destroyed Penta and now Solo Sikoa. And it's time for his strut. And he is doing it definitely. Now Oba Femi is destroying Solo Sikoa outside the ring, in between the fans and Oba Femi. Look at this power of this ruler, this monster Oba Femi. But Solo Sikoa, again Oba Femi destroying Solo Sikoa in the middle of the audience, just punching his head with his own hands and enjoying it very much. And now look at this monster Oba Femi attacking Carmelo Hayes and giving Penta a spine buster, but he is also destroying Hikaru outside the ring. And look at this Hikaru. And look at the ring awareness of Roman Reigns. He just took out the pad from the corner of the ring and now attacking Jacob Fatu. And I think he is making his target. And Jacob Fatu will not survive. And Roman Reigns is definitely going to win this match. And a Superman punch to Jacob Fatu. But Jacob Fatu just don't have any. Now Roman Reigns will attack another attack on Jacob Fatu, but Jacob Fatu is just dancing in the ring. He is a monster. He does not feel any pain, but Roman Reigns putting him through the corners of the ring, and now with a spear and a counter by Jacob Fatu to Roman Reigns and pinning, but Roman Reigns didn't kick out. And I think this is the final moment of the match when Roman Reigns will spear to Jacob Fatu, but Jacob Fatu with a counter and a spine buster. A Samoan drop to Roman Reigns, and now he is going to the top rope for a moonsault. And he put a moonsault through the ring and by pinning Roman Reigns, but Roman Reigns just kicked out with a low blow and a spear by Tribal Chief. He is pinning Jacob Fatu, and I think this is the time when Roman Reigns will defeat Jacob Fatu and definitely Roman Reigns now destroying CM Punk outside the ring through an table and a power bomb. But this time CM Punk will take his defense and he also jumped through an announcer table where Roman Reigns was placed, and now both superstar in the and now Roman Reigns and CM Punk are in the ring, and Roman Reigns going for the final spear, and I think this is the end of this match. And definitely Roman Reigns defeated CM Punk to become World Heavyweight Champion, and Roman Reigns will still step to the face of CM Punk. Look at this monster. And now it's time to destroy Bronson Reed from the top of the corner, and Roman Reigns is on the fire. He just wants to spear out of the building to the Bronson Reed. And look at the aggression of Roman Reigns. He is going for the final spear. And a final spear to Uba One breaker with a spear to Roman Reigns through the announcer table. And now look at this destruction. Both Bronson Reed and Roman Breaker are just destroying the tribal chief. And now no one is going to stop this Bronson Reed giant. And he is destroying Roman Reigns on a stretcher. But the audience is very happy. Roman Reigns, it is not good night, Roman Reigns. And now Roman Reigns going for the spear, but Roman Reigns just turn it to Roman Reigns. And look at this. Roman Reigns going for the spear to Solo Sikoa, and I think this is the end of this match. When Roman Reigns will take his Ula Fala back from the Solo Sikoa, and this is the tribal combat match of Roman Reigns and Solo Sikoa, and Roman Reigns is the final spear to Solo Sikoa and a spear, and I think this is the time when Roman Reigns is gonna win. And now look at Roman Reigns' physique. He is definitely going to tear apart Bronson Reed. What the hell? Roman Breaker with a spear to Roman Reigns, and now both Roman Breaker and Bronson Reed destroying Roman Reigns. And Roman Reigns going for a spear.
तो गाइस रोमन रेंज वर्सेस ओबा फेमी जो कि ऑडियंस को पूरा उनका बेटा मैच का, बट देखते हैं रेसोमिनिया जो आने वाली रेसोमिनिया सऊदी अरबिया में, तो वहां पर हमें रोमन रेंज वर्सेस ओबा फेमी का मैच देखने को मिलेगा। मेरे हिसाब से ये रूमर आ रहे हैं कि बट अभी प्लान रॉक के साथ भी चल रहा है। अगर रॉक नहीं आया तो मेरे हिसाब से रोमन रेंज ओबा फेमी का मैच मस्त रहेगा रेसोमिनिया के लिए, बट उसके लिए चैंपियनशिप रोमन रेंज के पास रहेगी, बट चैंपियनशिप, बट वहां पर भी मुश्किल हो जाएगा कि ओबा फेमी को जिताना पड़ेगा कि रोमन रेंज को। तो अब वो देखते हैं कि बट अभी रॉयल रंबल भी आने वाली है कि फिर मनी इन द बैंक और सर्वाइवर सीरीज बहुत कुछ बार गेम्स मैच में भी हमें देखने को मिलेंगे, तो वो आने वाले टाइम में पता चलेगा। बट अभी स्मैकडाउन में केविन ओवेन्स और रैंडी ऑर्टन का आना भी बाकी है। देखते हैं कि स्मैकडाउन के अब दिन अच्छे आएंगे कि या वैसे ही चले जाएगा। बट जैसा समर स्लैम दिखा है उस हिसाब से लग रहा है कि जैसे रा भी अभी होके हटिया कि थोड़ा बहुत डब्ल्यू कोई कान में कुछ जूम वगैरह सरक गया है कि जो कि अब अच्छे मैच करके देंगे। बट देखते हैं कि वैसे अगर रोमन रेंज ओबा फेमी का मैच हुआ रेसोमिनिया में तो आपको कैसा लगेगा गाइस, वो हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताना। और मिलते हैं गाइस नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय गाइस। एंड अपना चैनल सब्सक्राइब भी कर लो और फेसबुक वाला लिंक भी मिल जाना, वहां पर भी जाके आप फॉलो और कमेंट कर देना।